Hey student, did you recognize what have you seen in this image? It is a plant cell. This plant cell consists of different organelles like endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, mitochondria. There is another cell organelle, the chloroplast, which gives green color to the plant. This chloroplast belongs to a group of organelle called as plastid. So in today's class we are going to learn about this cell organelle called plastids. In the beginning, let us know what are the different types of plastids. Plastids are generally divided into two types, chromoplast and leucoplast. The chromoplast organelles are colorful because they carry a color giving pigment, whereas leucoplasts do not have any color because they do not store any pigment. Among the chromoplasts, chloroplast is a very common type of plastid present in all the plants. This chloroplast contain the chlorophyll pigment. Now leucoplasts are of three types: amyloplast, elioplast and proteinoplast. The amyloplast stores starch in the cells, whereas elioplast stores oils or lipids in the cells, and proteinoplast stores proteins in the cells. Hey, do you know how does a plastid look like? Let us know. Here in front of you there is a image of a chloroplast. Chloroplast is a kind of plastid. Any plastid have got two membranes, outer membrane and the inner membrane. Just like mitochondria, the chloroplast also has got two membranes. But the mitochondrial inner membrane has infoldings, but the plastids inner membrane do not have any infoldings and it is smooth. Inside the inner membrane, you will find some gelatinous substance just like cytoplasm, which is called as the stroma. So stroma fills the space inside the plastids. Then what is inside that plastid? Inside the plastid, you will see some stacks arranged near each other. These stacks are nothing but grana. So in this figure, you will see that there are large number of grana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 granas in this image. Now every grana consists of a stack of plate or disc-like structure which is called as thylakoid. Have you seen the thylakoids? These thylakoids are placed one above another and it forms a stack, and that stack is nothing but the grana. Apart from this grana, the stroma also has its own DNA and ribosome. That means just like mitochondria, plastid has also got its own DNA and ribosome to control its own functions.